Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I introduce myself. My name is Imam Radianto Anwar Setia Putra and my partner is Tini Apriani. We are researchers in Research and Development Agency of Ministry of Home Affairs Republik Indonesia in Jakarta. And we present to title of result research balancing the domination of the money politic in the regional head election. Our outline presentation and introduction to description of the phenomena and research problem of the regional head election of the money politic. And second, methods research used to technique and analysis methods. And three, result and discussion, and for and conclusion this research. And introduction to research is how to phenomena and research problem in money politic and in regional head election. This money politic cannot be spared from the implementation of the regional head election and other election. Money politic is in the version from will be opportunity of the corruption in the government as evidence until July 2017. 2019. The KPK handle as case 114 regional head how to corrupt from the bribe and guarantees. The total 114 regional head constrained to 17 governor, 7 fourth region, and 23 major. One regional head can be answered in the more than one cases. Some claim the cost of the regional head election reached 20 and 30 billion rupiah. It's even reaching 100 billion rupiah. Money politic in regional head election is the true into campaign financing with civilization amount. And the money politics generally occur to state campaign implementation and voting. And the states of the campaign money politic we usually give in the form to transportation money, the excited to provide stimulation in the regulation. And money politic was usually carried out by the winning team of the regional candidate. There is a mechanism that must be paid from advanced regional head candidate either through political party channel or through individual channel. Okay, candidate from regional head can be promoted the political party or combination political party, the political party or the political party joint meet acquisition require of the less 20% of the total region House of Representative seat or the 25% of the accumulation of valid vote in the regional House election of the representative in the area encoded. And first version study has been conducted related money politics in the election, but only few specifically discuss about how to balance the domination of the money politic in election. and discussion, result discussion money politics from the representative of criminal law, namely the profession governing whether money politics is surveillance and the action that can be taken to prevent money politics, and other research offer effort to prevent the practice of money politics from the sociology and psychology aspect from voters effort and made by providing understanding of the cognitive and affective side to instill in the mind of the voter of the money politic is the crime and the fundamental ethical and moral violence. And this study also emphasizes that social capital and local wisdom owned by the region are expanded to reduce the practice of money politics. In contrast to existing research, this study aimed to provide solution in the form of the mechanism to balance the domination money politics in the election, considering the money politics is a difficult thing about eliminate altogether in the process of the regional head election and other election. Okay. Next, research methods. The study used literature view. Literature study is the method of carrying out utilizing scientific data source as well as another document, article in media massa, article on the internet, book, and journal. And argued that the study of the literature is a way used to collecting data or source related to the topic rise in the study. In the study, the topic rise in the balancing the domination of money politics in regional head election and technique analysis data with meta-analysis, meta-synthesis technique from the integrated data to obtain new theory and concept, our deeper and more comprehensive level understanding. The analysis is an effort from research to construct strategy to balance the nomination of money politics in regional head. Next, and result and discussion uh, to spare of part four part. And first part, money politics in a regional head election. Ramlan Subur Bhakti stated the opportunity from the emerging of money politics in the local election could be identified from now. Of money politics, there support the tendency in increasing permissive communities. Um, Opportunity from the emergence of money politics were formed based on the influence of the economic actor in providing support to regional head candidate. And investors have a rule of the regulation of to regulate the process winning candidate, starting from the determinant, the Breer party record, mobilizing formal and non-formal winning, network, recruiting, survey institution making contact with the village leaders, and exhausting money politics and the food buying. And next, uh, failure of politic party to the control money politic. Uh, Politic parties are one the institution they can be nominate regional head candidate in election. Thus, as the stated, the politic process occurring within the party will affect the quality of the proposed regional head candidate. Politic party have a significant role in the bring qualified individual to the election, and the behavior of political parties elites further worse the image of the political party in the of the public. Money politics is the main target from personal gain, opportunity, pragmatic political party elite, sell opportunity to advance, and the fight to idealism as regional head to figure outside and the party demand capability of winning regional head election. And all of that above explanation emphasizes how the weight of the position of the political party is in the view of the community. And the facts, political party as the pillar of democracy have an important role in the preparing qualified regional head candidate, also in providing political education to the community. And uh, three, part of the result in discussion, independent candidate uh, to minimize money politics, the failure of the political parties in declaring about their role provide benefit to independent candidates, opportunity for independent candidate to gain great the public sympathy, give the baseline in the through in the political parties and the regional head candidate how to earn career by the political parties. In additional to personal capacity of the individual pair candidate, their mechanism must be paced. The several before an individual candidate pair can be determined as the regional head candidate pair general election commission as the organization from the regional election. And fourth, part 4 is campaign strategy from minimize money politics. Present two alternative policies to reduce the party practice of money politics. First, fixing political party institution in the term of the recruitment of candidate from election and the finding candidate. Second, education for voters. But both of these things reinforcement in the importance of the strengthening political parties as instrument democracy, as well as providing and the complete understanding to provide to profess voters in the order to produce regional leader through democracy process that are according with the regulation, and campaign with the social capital and the moral based approach are both as effort raising awareness as well as politic education and community local wisdom derived from the noble culture of the nation, partly guided by the teaching of the Samawi religion. And conclusion, first, requiring politic parties to requiring a region head candidate from internal parties. Second, include the track record and profile of the regional head candidate in campaign material. And third, downplaying the percentage of the ownership of the final voter list (DPT) daftar pemilih tetap as a requirement from the nominating independent candidate to be ability to practice in the election of the regional head how to advance from the independent channel. And finally, thank you for virtual international conference and uh, other participant, and thank you for my partner research Tini Apriani and Adi Suhendra to bring me methods and conceptually, and back to moderator.